And hello everyone, this is Rita. We are seeing 7th standard maths, chapter 4 decimals, 4.4 exercise. In the last video, we have seen up to 1 to 4 sums. Okay, in this video, we will see from the fifth sum. So, the fifth sum is if 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, then how many inches will make 60.96 centimeter? They have given 1 inch price which is 2.54. We need to calculate for 60.96 centimeter. Okay, so since we don't know how much inches 60.96 makes, so we can consider it as x. Let x inch is equal to 60.96 centimeter. Okay, so now in order to find inches, we need to multiply by 1 inch price. Okay, so here in order to find x, we need to multiply into x into 2.54 is equal to 60.96. Therefore x into 1 inch price which is equal to 60.96 centimeter. So x into 2.54 is equal to 60.96. X is equal to 60.96 divided by 2.54. 2.54 is in multiplication. So when we take 2.54 to that side, it will convert it into division. Okay, now since the denominator is in decimals, we need to multiply by 100. We need to take the decimal first into 100 by 100. Okay, so x is equal to, now decimal will be moving. Okay, so it will be moving two step, 6096 divided by 254. Since we have multiplied by 100 on both sides, on the numerator and the denominator, the decimal will be moved at the end. So 6096.0254.0. So we don't need to put the decimal over here. No need of decimal over here. Now we need to divide and find the value of x. So x is equal to 6096 by 254. Okay, so x is equal to 6096 by 254. Okay, so in order to find x, we need to divide 254 divided by 6096. Okay, so 254 into 2s are 254 into 2. So 254 into 2, 508. 508. So the remainder will be 1016. 1016. Now 254 into 401016, remainder will be 0. So x value is 24. Therefore 24 inch, therefore 24 inches equal to 60.96 centimeter. Okay, so this is the fifth sum. Now we are going to see the sixth sum. The product of two number is 18.576. If one of them is 5.4, find the other. Okay, so the sixth sum is the product of two number is 18.576. So one of them is 5.4, find the other. Product of two numbers. So when we multiply two number, the product answer is 18.576. Okay, one of them is 5.4. So they have given one value 5.4. We need to find the other value. Okay, so let us consider the other value as x. Therefore, x into 5.4, x into 5.4 is equal to 18.576. So x is equal to 18.576 divided by 5.4. Since we have decimals in the denominator, we need to multiply by 10. We need to remove the decimal first in order to divide. Okay, so into 10 by 10. Only one digit is after the decimal, so we need to multiply 10. If we have two digits after the decimal, we need to multiply by 100. Three digits, then we need to multiply by 1000. It is according to the values, digits after the decimal. So x is equal to, decimal will be moving one step, 185.76 divided by 54. Now we need to divide 185 multiply 10. If we have two digits after the decimal, we need to multiply by 100. Three digits, then we need to multiply by 1000. It is according to the values, digits after the decimal. So x is equal to, decimal will be moving one step, 185.76 divided by 54. Now we need to divide 185.76 by 54 in order to find the value of x. Okay. So 18576 54. 54 into 3s are 162. Remainder will be 3, 2, 7. 54 into 4s are 216. So remainder will be 1, 2, 6. 4s are 216. Remainder will be 0. So here the x value is 344. X is equal to 344. Here we have two digits after the decimal, so we need to keep the decimal point after two digits. So the answer will be 3.44. So the missing value of x is 3.44. Okay, so we will see the remaining sums in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.